How to make a file available offline on Microsoft OneDrive in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Microsoft OneDrive. This is the home page. Now choose the file that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. It's called test. Now go right here, click on those three dots. After you click on the three dots, scroll down and you will find make available offline. Click here and now it will be available for you offline without a network. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.